Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Rockstar Games account for GTA 5 so you can actually start playing online without any issues. So first, simply open your browser and go to the Rockstar Games Social Club website. Next, simply click sign up on the website. From here, you then have to fill in your personal details like your email address, date of birth, username and password. Now after filling out the info, simply read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Then simply make sure your email is valid because you need to verify it later on. And you then have to check your email inbox for a verification message and click on the link that they're going to send to confirm your account. Now once verified, you then have to log into your Rockstar Games launcher using your new account. And you're then going to be ready to play GTA 5 online, just like that. So that's it. So that's how to create a Rockstar Games account online. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.